Wildfire season is heating up, and the real firepower often comes from above. However, keeping those aircraft flying takes precision, teamwork, and a watchful eye on the skies. ABC 15 meteorologist Justin Hobbs has been covering the Greer Fire and takes us behind the scenes.
Yeah, hey guys, so over the weekend, the winds were a true testament to the firefighters who were out on the lines battling those flames. Of course, we know the winds grounded all flight operations, so we're getting you an inside look at what all it takes behind the scenes to get crafts like this Chinook up into the skies.
Before tankers roar or rotor spin, ground crews are already coordinating.
Early in the morning, we're talking to the operations folks and also the divisions, seeing what their needs are, how we can support them.
Wind speeds, weather conditions, and fire behavior are all part of the equation, and each aircraft has different flight limits, like this Type 1 Chinook.
They're capped about 40 knots, and then same with the Type 2. With the Type 3, it's actually 30 knots.
Then there's the heavy hitter, the DC-10. It drops nearly 10,000 gallons of retardant, but it has to return to base for every reload.
So this Chinook, it's bucketed. There are some that are tanked. This one, it has a bucket with a long line. He's been dropping about 1,800 gallons with one drop, with one bucket. We have a water source that's close by. It can be pretty quick turnarounds. On this fire, it was about 20 to 25 drops per fuel cycle.
It's about having the right mix. Big tankers for wide coverage and helicopters for fast targeted support.
Firefighters are trained to make sure they stay well away from the drop area for their safety.
Airspace is tightly managed, but one rogue drone can shut it all down.
If we have a drone incursion within our TFR, we immediately have to ground our aircraft. We also have to pull our resources off the fire line.
Civilian drones in restricted airspace pose a threat to aircrafts, firefighters on the ground, and even the public.
No photo, no video is worth somebody's life. And, especially when we have fires that are pushing against communities, if we have to pull back those resources, now we've got a fire that's pushing into a community.
The message is simple.
We will find you, and we will have the sheriff's office come find you and ticket you. We like to say, if you fly, we can't.
At Springerville Airport, Justin Hobbs, ABC 15, Arizona.